What's up, guys? Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation. Today I am pulling duct tape off of my cylinders for the FXLR sweepstakes bike. These are the original barrels that you saw that were all chewed up and the paint was all eaten off of them and they were all old and shitty looking. And now we've had them laser restored. Then I've repainted them and then I've refinished the cylinder fins, and these basically look as good as new, as if not better. Same with the cylinder heads. I'm just peeling some gaskets, getting the glue off. Machining on the cylinder fins came out awesome. So I'm getting towards the end of the restoration of all the engine components here. Come on, follow me, guys. I'll show you where we're at. This is basically the entire drivetrain from the 93 FXLR. Every single piece has been brought back down to its bare casting, cleaned, and then restored, repainted in Harley finishes. I'm supposed to have the frame. The frame is a powder coat, so once I get it back, it'll go up on this lift, and then I'll start building. This is all the chrome exchange stuff. The wheel, I got a brand new chrome hub, chrome spoke, chrome rim from Kirk, and then I went and visited the paint yesterday, and it looks great. Paint, just so you know, is all original paint, so it looks like the day it looked. Actually, it'll look better than the day it came out of the factory. All the orange peel will be gone, and then there was a little repair on the front of the fender in one of the pinstripes. The side covers were a little scuffed. I had to re-clear those. They look like they're brand new. And then, of course, the Nest quarter fairing got painted in the gray and silver with the red stripe to match the rest of the bike. So that was getting finished. So I'm going to guess next week, maybe the week after, I'll build the bottom end of the bike, and then I'll restore or rebuild the top end in the bike. So super exciting. I got everything I needed for the rebuild from Kirk. They had everything. I think the pipe or something was back ordered, and I think it just came off back order. It's on its way. So we are looking good for a spring wrap on this project. So I just wanted to show you where we were, how all the parts and all the sub-assemblies, how every nut and bolt on this bike is getting restored, touched, replaced. So stay tuned. A couple weeks, as soon as I get the frame in and the engine up, we'll start sending regular videos of my daily workings, bringing the whole bike back together. So thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Talk soon.